Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video just to kind of show you how to go ahead and get your website published. So when you purchase this kit, you have a couple different PDFs, but this one is for the website. So your pictures may be looking different because everyone is going to be different. But you may have one, you may have two, you may have three, it depends on whatever kit you bought. So that's going to be your first page. But on your second page, you are going to have this author's book website and landing page. And so you'll need to click on this link. And when you click on that link, it'll take you to the website or to the page that is within Canva. I'm in Canva now, but you'll have a PDF. The things you want to make sure that you customize are all the buy buttons in the Amazon tab, all the buy buttons on the book patch. That should say book patch. Let me correct that now. The book patch tabs, and then any authored name sections, you want to add your name. You want to add a photo of you in the About Author section and add a short blurb about you. And I'm going to walk you through all this, update your social media handles so that people can just click on them to access, and then update your email address and your website address and anything else you want to customize to here. So you're viewing this video here. You may have already seen that and you've already clicked that link. If you do want to schedule some time to book a 60-minute session with me to either update, change your website, or maybe even the books or anything like that, go ahead and let me know. Quick questions we can answer for you. But if you need something more in depth, then you're going to have to book a session. So when you click on the link, I'm just going to click on this link here. It takes you over to the page, and you're going to um, you won't have these two options. You'll just have use a template for a new design option. And this is the template for the website. Okay, so if you just click the arrows, you'll be able to see the template for the website. I'm going to go ahead and click edit the template because I don't want to generate a whole new one. But for you, you'll click the option that is available to you. This is what your website is going to look like. Each one of them is going to be different. Each one of them is going to be different. So this one is for the Empowered Women's Notebook websites. And so there's three in this package. So here, when we talk about updating the spaces, let me minimize this a little bit here. You've got your author. You're going to put your name. When you click in, you'll be able to highlight, or you can just delete, and you can put your name there if that's what's here. So you're going to look for these spaces where it says, author, your name. So it may be more than just here. So this one is about the author. So you're going to put your name in there. Here's another section here. And then down here at the bottom, you see email addresses and websites. So you're going to also put your email address there. That's not clear. So that. So you're going to put your website address, whatever you have, you can put down here. You can change this. You just click in the boxes and you can update and change this information. Okay, let me go back up to the top here. Here are your social media icons. So when you click on the icon, you see the box appears, and then you can click on the three dots and then click on link, and then you can put your link in there. So let me just type, let's see here, facebook.com/t-shirt posted. And then once you have that there, well, mine's is already in the system, but if not, you can just hit enter and it'll show the link there, and then you can just press done. So now it is uploaded. When you click on the link, it'll actually show you what link is there. So you'll do that for the rest of them. I'm going to undo that. You'll do that for the rest of them. This is Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. If you need something different here, you're going to have to search for icons. Okay, so I'm not going to show you do that, but you can delete it if you don't have that thing, that actual social media. So for example, I don't have a Twitter, or it's called X now. I don't have that. So I would have to delete that, and then I can like kind of grab them and make it bigger so that it's, so you can do a couple different things so that you can customize that to what you want it to be. But it's made so that you can just actually just, click and add and customize. So that's the same thing you're going to do. So you're going to do that. You're going to find the social media links. Should be one at the top, and then there should be let's see here. Here's one at the author section. Okay. So you'll link them to whatever pages you want them to go. You don't have to really change any of the verbiage. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and change it. But the whole point is that this is done for you. But if there's something that you don't like, then you want to go ahead and change that. Here's what you do want to change. Or you want to also add a link for your Buy Amazon. So you'll do this after you've uploaded these books to Amazon and they have been approved by Amazon and they are now visible on the site, right? So then you will click there, just like we've done with the other things. You can click on the button, the three uh, dots, and then you can link that to your Amazon page, okay? So you can just go over to Amazon, grab your link to the product or to your author page on Amazon. So you have the ability to set up an author page. And I'm going to do a separate video for that, but you can do that as well, okay, to your author page. So that's what's there. And then you should have a video. And if not, well, you don't have a video, but there's nothing that you need to do. Let's just say that. You even have what customers are saying. You'll have to add your picture. So you can go over to upload a video or a picture, I'm sorry. You can upload a picture by going to your uploads. And then if you have a picture here already, you can just drag it over. If not, you'll need to upload a picture and then drag it over. But dragging it over is really simple. That's all I did was put it in that box, right? And then we've talked about those. Here you're going to need to update this. So craft an author bio. So something engaging and witty and on brand for you. It needs to be simple and straightforward. This is, kind of a way that it could look, but whatever you want to put in here that's going to make it look great. Okay. And then again, let's see, we did your name. You want to update these links. So you want to make these links go to whatever book it shows. Here's for the book patch. So if you have the spiral option, which most do, then you're going to have a separate section for your spiral notebooks because Amazon doesn't do spiral, right? And so we've given you all the details and things for the book patch. And now that you have that uploaded, you have the link for the book patch for all of your items. And then you'll link it here the same way, the three dots, and then click link. And then let's see here. So that's about customizing your page. It's really simple. It's designed so that you can easily do that. Okay. Now, to preview your website, you can actually just click preview and you can see what it's going to look like. Takes a little bit to get loaded, but you've got links at the top, right? And these links go to those specific pages. So it is a one pager and you can make it longer. You can add to it. You can duplicate pages, whatever you want to do, but this is how it is out the gate. Okay. I wouldn't put a whole lot. I mean, as you get down the road, you can do that, but don't get in customization overwhelm. Okay. So this is the first page. And if I want to go to about the book, you know, there we can, click on there. If I want to go to reviews or about the author, see how easily it goes. That's the first one. And if I want to go to the spiral books, that's that one. So all your navigation links are going to be at the top. And you can actually scroll through and you can see what all of it looks like. And this is what it looks like when you publish. You can choose to publish without the navigation. So this is what it'll look like without navigations. So you can do that as well. Okay. I prefer with the navigations. It doesn't hurt anything to have navigations. You can also do the mobile view. So this is mobile view. You can see what it's going to look like on someone's cell phone. Okay. And then I'm going to close that out. And then when you're ready to publish it, so you've done all your customizations and everything looks great. Meanwhile, if you do publish something and you do want to update it, you can just click the publish website button again. So you click publish and then you can, publish using Canva's free domain. You can purchase a domain through Canva, or you can use your existing domain and you can link it there. Now, what I don't necessarily recommend anything. I mean, you can do publish to Canva and do a bit.ly link, right? If you don't want to do that, or a sublink on your website if you have one. So you can do that as well. And you can just make it go to this site. So that's a whole nother topic for a whole nother day. But you will need to do with or without navigation. How are you going to publish that? And then I would choose the resize on mobile so that it resizes it to what, you know, well, it's showing you what it looks like. I don't like the way that looks. So I don't have mine that way. I don't click on the resize on mobile for that reason, because it just doesn't look right. But you can click on it and see what it does. But then that's all you do. You press continue. You're going to walk through whatever it tells you to do. And then boom, you now have a website. Okay. So just wanted to stop by and share with you. It's a really good thing. You don't have to worry about not having a website. You've got your books there or book, whatever you've purchased, and you've got a little bit of something you can send your people to, and they can click on the links and buy. So again, if you need or you have additional questions, you can, email us at the hello at creativeurbanwoman.com to make sure it's creative. Yeah, creativeurbanwoman.com. Or you can book a paid 60-minute session and we can kind of go over it and make some significant changes. I don't recommend doing that unless you are really trying to make something, significant change, because you can change everything in here. But what's the point of getting done for you if you don't do that? So, or if you're going to do all that. So anyway, that's it for now. Take care. Bye.